Best electric vehicle charging apps in the USA. As electric vehicles become increasingly popular, so does the need for reliable and accessible EV charging stations. With a plethora of EV charging apps available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 best electric vehicle charging apps in the USA, highlighting their key features, benefits, and limitations to help you make an informed decision. From finding nearby charging stations to planning road trips and managing charging schedules, EV charging apps can be a valuable tool for EV owners. Whether you're a seasoned EV enthusiast or just starting your EV journey, this video will equip you with the knowledge to select the best EV charging app for your needs. The biggest problem you may run into when purchasing an electric car is that you won't know how to charge it or where to find a charging station. There are several applications available that can assist you in this case, such as Chargeify and Electrify America. But how do you know which is the best? Examining the many electric car charging apps available in the USA, and choosing the top ones will be the focus of this video. Best charging apps for electric vehicles. Let us explore the most trending charging apps available in the USA. 1. EVgo. It is one of the charging applications that is most in demand and is frequently utilized in American cities. It is mostly utilized because of the appealing UI design motif, which makes it simple to look at and operate. You are given the choice to select your electric car after signing up, and the filters about the charging configuration of the selected vehicle are then automatically adjusted. Depending on where you live, there might not be many EVgo chargers close to your house. This is more of a drawback of the network as a whole than the application, but it's still something to take into account. However, EVgo does offer a standout feature, and that is the ability to make reservations directly from the app. To guarantee that a charger is accessible, EVgo members may book one at their location up to 20 minutes in advance. Only a few charging platforms provide this option, and booking one costs $3 in advance. 2. Electrify America. Electrify America set a high priority on supplying sustainable energy and making it possible for speedy charging to meet user needs. It has several features that make it dependable, like filters, simple sign-up, visuals, animation, etc. It assists in determining whether vehicles have appropriate plugs, and immediately recognizes the capabilities an EV may need to charge. The power of the chargers may be simply modified to 350 kilowatt. Your Electrify home station may be linked to a section of the app, along with the number of chargers accessible and their costs per kilowatt hour or minute. The built-in map also displays this information. It will walk you through some of the most popular features on the market today and how they can help you in the future. 3. Chargeway. The primary usage of this app is for travel planning. It won't be difficult for you to locate the closest charging stations with the help of Chargeway. The trip planner is the best feature of the app, allowing you to enter your exact location, departure point, and the battery level of your car. However, despite showing the same number of EVs, it displays fewer charging points than other applications. This may be a sign that Chargeway is being cautious and only shows chargers compatible with your particular EV. 4. PlugShare. It is an application designed exclusively for iOS users, locating a wide variety of vehicle chargers from numerous networks, including well-known brands like Electrify America, Tesla Superchargers, ChargePoint, and many others is made easier by this tool. To see which chargers are accessible along your way to the office, a neighbor's place, or your planned road trip, you may add numerous journeys to your profile on PlugShare. Prospective EV owners can use this tool to determine whether they can afford to charge an all-electric car on their commute. 5. ChargeHub. You can find all the main EV charging networks in your region using ChargeHub, which offers an excellent user experience. The map, travels, communities, and profile tabs are located at the bottom of the screen when you first launch the app, which introduces you to a digital map of all the nearby chargers. The simple user interface makes it easy for new users to utilize the program. 6. Volta. One of the biggest free EV charging networks in the United States is this one. By using the Volta app, you can discover the charging outlets at malls, shopping centers, supermarkets, and other establishments and find out if they are available. The app informs you of the sorts of EV charging connectors and charger levels it supports, as well as how long you may charge for no cost. Most of the time, you are permitted to charge for free for close to 2 hours. But you can also choose to pay for more time. The app also allows you to report any concerns and offers instructions to the charger. Most Volta stations operate from 6 in the morning to midnight. However, hours may vary according to the region. 7. Open Charge Map. Locating EV charging stations throughout the world is made possible by the usage of this app. Users may look for charging stations, submit them, and enter reviews, pictures, and other details about charging points with the help of this open-source initiative. You can also get driving instructions to the charging station of your choice. Check for the connection type and recharging speed, and plan your journey depending on the chargers that are accessible. 8. EV Connect. By allowing energy to be used as fuel for transportation, EV Connect creates a better planet. Drivers may quickly locate, connect, and discreetly pay for EV charging stations using the EV Connect app. It employs location-based technologies, depending on geography, terminal ID frequency, transmitted power, and convenience. Drivers may search for and find electric car charging stations. 9. EV Hotel. With the help of this app, you can see which charging stations are located near hotels and how far they are from those hotels in terms of walking distance. Choosing from 170+ worldwide brands, you could relax and charge while earning more hotel reward points. When utilizing standard plug adapters, it may reach 80% extra EV charging locations. 10. EV Match. This software allows you to create a charging schedule, specifying an opening and closing time. If the price of power drops overnight, this is useful. The best part about this app? It allows users to share their charging stations to earn extra money, all without any sign-up fees. Different types of charging apps. Different types of EV charging apps exist. It is classified into many sorts based on its characteristics, functioning, and intended use. Public electric vehicle charging apps. There are several public charging applications available in the store for download and usage in both free and paid versions. Maps and travel instructions are included in this software. Home electric vehicle charging apps. Home charging applications, which are normally offered by the maker of the charging station, let you manage a charging point in a private environment. These applications provide you with access to information about the charging process. Dual electric vehicle charging apps. A charging app may occasionally be utilized to handle both home and public charging, providing drivers with the simplicity of a single feature for all of their EV charging. Charging apps and features. The market is flooded with software firms and developers selling white-labeled products. However, the majority of the time, these applications are created utilizing generic themes and do not accurately reflect the true worth and distinctiveness of your goods. With the growing demand for convenient and efficient EV charging solutions, EV charging apps are playing a crucial role in the transition to sustainable transportation. By providing real-time charging station information, trip planning tools, and user-friendly interfaces, these apps are making EV ownership more seamless and enjoyable. As EV technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and feature-rich EV charging apps to emerge, further enhancing the EV driving experience. So, embrace the future of transportation and choose the best EV charging app to power your electric journey. Thanks for watching.